Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tool. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style country home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage style country home decor is a warm and nostalgic decorating style that blends old-fashioned charm with rustic cozy elements. It draws inspiration from traditional country homes and incorporates antique or vintage-inspired furnishings, soft textiles, and natural materials. This style creates a homey and inviting space that feels timeless and full of character. Vintage style country home decor is all about creating a warm, inviting, and nostalgic atmosphere, inspired by the charm of old country homes. It blends rustic farmhouse elements with vintage treasures, soft colors, and cozy textures to make a space feel lived in and full of character. Features of vintage country home decor: furniture with a time-worn look. Vintage furniture features either distressed oak, chipped paint, or all that patina and authenticity. Use classic farmhouse staples like a rustic dining table, a cast iron bed frame, or a vintage hut. Give the space an old-world feel. Upcycling flower market finds such as an old chunks as a coffee table enhances the vintage aesthetic. Number 2. Soft and romantic color palette. Muted, neutral shades like cream, white, beige, and soft gray create a calming base. Pastel hues like peely blue, she's green, plus pink, and buttery yellow add a gentle pop of color. Subtle floral patterns or faded prints on textiles add a vintage touch. Cozy and layered textiles, floral, gingham, and tall fabrics are commonly used in curtains, cushions, and upholstery. Lace tablecloths, crochet shawls, and embroidered linens add delicate feminine charm. Layered rugs such as chucha with vintage Persian style genres create warmth. Number 4. Vintage inspired decor and accessories. Use antique clocks or lamps and decorative lanterns. Enhance the vintage feel. Use mason jars, old milk bottles, and enamel art. Works as functional yet charming decor. Use framed botanical prints, old-fashioned design, and floral artwork and character. Number 5. Natural and rustic materials. Reclaimed oat, iron, and stone are key materials that brings in natural beauty. Wicker baskets, open storage bins, and galvanized metal planters provide both function and charm. Use a farmhouse sink, matka block countertops, and open wooden shelving complete the vintage country kitchen look. Number 6. Soft and ambient lighting, candle arts or candle-style bulbs, old iron sconces and vintage glass lamps create a warm glow. Stable lamps with fabric or lace shades add a cozy, intimate feel. String lights or candle lanterns enhance the nostalgic atmosphere. Number 7. Garden and floral accents. Fresh flowers in ceramic pictures, jarred lavender bundles, and potted herbs bring the outdoors in. His floral jade sacking baskets and Ivy covered trestles add a country garden charm. A vintage style greenhouse shelf or potting beds enhances the rustic aesthetic. What we use vintage country decor, living room, cozy silk covered sofa, a distressed coffee table, and floral cushions. Kitchen, open shelving with vintage china and apron from silk, and antique style canisters. Bedroom, an iron bed frame, lace curtains, and a vintage quilt. Bathroom, a clawfoot tub, floral wallpaper, and a repurposed vanity with a porcelain silk. Vintage-style country home decor is a charming blend of old-world elegance and rustic simplicity. It embraces antique furnishings, natural materials, and cozy textiles to create a warm and welcoming home that feels both nostalgic and timeless. Origins and inspiration. Vintage country decor takes inspiration from traditional countryside homes, especially from Renaissance like English country homes, romantic florals, antique furniture, and soft pastels. French country farmhouses, distressed old iron, and warm neutrals. American farmhouses, rustic oak, gingham patterns, and a cozy Lipton feel. This style is influenced by a love of the past, featuring handcrafted items, aged finishes, and heirloom quality decor. Essential elements of vintage country home decor: furniture, rustic and time-worn charm. Distressed oak, whitewashed, oiled or chipped paint. Furniture gives an antique appeal. Vintage finds, flower market treasures like wooden dressers, farmhouse tables, and iron bed frames. Upcycled pieces, old doors, turned into headboards. Repurposed trunks as coffee tables, king and wicker. Wicker chairs, king-backed armchairs, and rattan storage architecture. A soft weighted and earthy color palette. Vintage country homes are soft and warm tones for a cozy, serene look. Popular colors include whites and creams. Soft, warm neutrals create an airy, fresh feel. Pastel shades, peely blues, soft pinks, mint greens, and buttery yellows add vintage charm. Earthy tones, muted browns, cheese green, and terracotta bring natural warmth. Cozy and layered textiles, floral and gingham prints, used in curtains, bedding, and tablecloths. Lace and crusted accents adds a delicate family touch. Quilts and throws, vintage patchwork quilts, and hand-knitted blankets create warmth. and tea towels with delicate embroidery. Its vintage and rustic decorative accents, antique clocks, east wall clocks with Romana materials or ornate frames, framed botanical prints, pressed flowers or vintage botanical illustrations. Framed botanical prints, pressed flowers or vintage botanical illustrations, old books and ledgers, stacked hardcover books with old bindings. Ironstone pitchers and enamel are used as vases or kitchen decor. Natural materials and rustic finishes, reclaimed wood for flooring, beams, and furniture. Stone and brick, exposed brick walls, stone fireplaces, and farmhouse sinks. Galvanized metal, vintage tin cans, rustic metal planters, and industrial style lighting. Soft lighting for a cozy ambience, candlelights and sconces, old iron, crystal or candle style lighting, table lamps with vibrations, and warm to bedside tables and living areas, lanterns and candles, perfect for adding a soft romantic glow. Garden-inspired accents and greenery use fresh flowers like wildflowers, roses, or hydrangeas in ceramic pitchers, dried florals and trees, lavender bundles, cotton, stems, eucalyptus, herbs, and indoor plants, potted rosemary, thyme, or even in rustic pots. Stunning vintage country decor in different rooms, living room, sleep-covered sofas in linen or floral prints, displays old coffee tables with lace tiles, vintage trunks and side tables. Kitchen, open shelving with vintage china and canisters, use farmhouse sinks with a sculpted bottom, messengers for storage and decor. Bedroom, use old iron or wooden bed frames. They add vintage coins and ruffled bedding. Use antique dressing tables with floral mirrors. Bathrooms, clawfoot tubs and pedestal sets. Use wicker baskets for towel storage. Add vintage perfume bottles and ceramic soap dishes. What to find vintage country home decor? Flower markets and antique shops look for unique time-worn treasures. Cheap stories and stencils, great for affordable vintage finds, handmade and upcycled shop. Online platforms like Estate for all-of-the-kind vintage. Vintage style country home decor is all about blending old world charm with rustic simplicity. This style embraces aged furniture, soft fabrics, and a warm, inviting atmosphere that feels lifted and full of history. It draws inspiration from traditional farmhouses, country cottages, and charming European countryside homes. This decor style evokes memories of simpler times, with pieces that have a story to tell, whether it is a well-loved wooden table or a delicate lace tablecloth. Every element contributes to a sense of warmth and history. Mixing old and new. While true vintage pieces add authenticity, modern reproductions and tight distressing techniques can help achieve the look on a basket. The key is to create a space that feels crowded rather than stages. Comfort and coziness, soft textures, layered fabrics, and warm lighting create an inviting atmosphere. This is a style that encourages relaxation and a slower pace of living. How to mix vintage decor with other styles. With farmhouse style, add more rustic oud and industrial touches like barn roads and shiplap walls. With Cottagecore, incorporate even more floral prints, handmade crafts, and whimsical vintage elements. With print sketching, introduce elegant details like candelabras, ornate mirrors, and charred fabrics. With Shabby, use more pastel colors, distressed furniture, and soft lace details. Vintage style country home decor is about creating a space that feels warm, lived-in, and full of history. Whether you prefer a more rustic farmhouse approach or a romantic English cottage feel, this style allows for creativity and personalization. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.